Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download Eclipse IDE. So as usual what you have to do is you have to go to the browser, right? In any of the search engine, right? You type Eclipse download, that's it. And the result you would be seeing, right? Eclipse downloads from the original Eclipse official site, right? So this is your official Eclipse landing site. There you see there is a download option available. Don't click on that. Okay. So in beneath that, right, there is an option called download package option. Okay. So you click on that download package, and now you see there are different packages are available. So right now you have to choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay. So here, right, you see Windows under download links, right? You see for Windows it is x86_64. So and for Mac OS users you have to choose the relevant link. Since I am a Windows user operating system, I have to choose x86_64. Okay, now you see there is a download option available there. This is the file name, but you see there is a download button there, right? You click on that download button. Okay, now moment you click on that, right, the download would automatically start, right? Now I'm just waiting for download to complete it, right? So you have to right click on this zip file, right, and you have to extract all. Yeah, so now it is getting extracted. Very good. Now it has been extracted, right? So now you copy that, and whichever folder you wanted to keep it, you keep it. Now right now I'm placing it in the C drive. Okay, just for a demo purpose. I'm double clicking on that. You see the entire Eclipse package is available now. Now you choose the option Eclipse from here, and now you see it is asking for the workspace location. This is where exactly all your projects are saved, right? So whichever path you want, you can choose it. Right now I'm just leaving it as is, and I'm clicking on launch. Now you see this is the Eclipse IDE. Okay, so this pop-up would come, but you ignore that pop-up. Okay, so what you have to do is you just need to cancel that. That's it. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Now you see this is the exact window. Now you see, right, in the top you have to choose file, new, Java project. Okay, which is very important. Okay, so now in that project name I'm typing the project name. So in the top itself, right, if there are any variations, if there is any naming convention issue, it will automatically pop up with an error or a warning symbol. After entering the project, you choose the right environment, because so here, right, it is a very carefully you have to see. Okay, whatever the Java version that you have used, right? Now I've used latest version, right, which is 25.0.2. it is a latest version. Okay, you see LTS, right, it is a long-term support version, right? So I have to choose this one. So I have to go there. From the drop down you see 25 is there. Okay, and what I have to do, okay, I'm just coming back here. Now you have to uncheck these boxes under module. Next. Okay, now you see the project has been created. You see in the left side, right, under package explorer, you see the project has been created now. Okay, now what you have to do, actually you have to expand that package. Okay, I'm just expanding it. Now you see the first one, right? It says JRE, right? JRE. So and you see in the bracket, you see it is referring to 25 version, okay, which is the one which we have selected now. And SRC is where your programs will be saved, okay, where your packages and all your class files, everything, right, would be saved there, right? So now right clicking on the SRC, new, click on new, okay, click on package first, okay. So I'll tell you what is package and all during our live session. So basically package is nothing but a folder, okay. So in a folder, what you will do, you will organize, right, put all your files into the folder. Similarly package is like your folder, okay. So right now I'm creating one a sample name, okay, and then I'm clicking on finish, okay. Now you see the package has been created now. Now next thing what I have to do, I have to create the Java file now. So right click on the package, new, and then click on class file, okay. So here, right, I'm giving a class name, and there right now I'm unchecking this one and I'm selecting only the public static void main, so which is your main program, okay. Your main program should have all these things and we will discuss that, okay. Now I wanted to print hello, okay, that is my first program. So when you type SISO and press control space, you will get system.out.println automatically. Type SISO and then control space, or you type it fully. If that doesn't come now, you just type it system.out.println, and in that parenthesis, right, that bracket is there, right, within that quotes you type something called hello world, okay. I'm typing hello world, okay, and that's it, okay. Now I wanted to execute and see, either you right click, run as, click on Java application, it should come, or in the top right you see there is a play button, okay. So now till this point you take a pause, okay. If these two are sorted right, then it is good for our next upcoming sessions, okay. These two are base for us now. Thank you.